Welcome, children. Today we're going to learn about a very special day, the 12th of Rabi ul Awwal. This blessed day is extra special because it's the birthday of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. It's a day that fills all Muslims' hearts with joy and happiness as we celebrate the birth of the most wonderful teacher who ever lived. On this beautiful day many years ago, our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in the holy city of Mecca. Allah sent him as a special gift and mercy to all people in the world. He came to teach us how to be good and kind and to show us the right way to live. That's why we celebrate this day with such happiness and love in our hearts. Let me tell you about something wonderful called Sunnah. Sunnah means all the beautiful ways that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lived his life. These are like precious lessons that he taught us through his actions. When we follow his Sunnah, we're learning to be better people just like him. It's like having a perfect guide showing us how to live our daily lives in the best way possible. One of the most beautiful things our Prophet taught us was how to greet others. He always had a bright, warm smile on his face when meeting people, and he would say, Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. This beautiful greeting is like giving someone a gift of good wishes and kindness. When we say these special words with a smile, we're spreading peace and happiness just like our beloved Prophet did. Our Prophet, peace be upon him, was the kindest person who ever lived. He showed us how important it is to be gentle and helpful to everyone around us. He would help children when they were sad, assist elderly people when they needed help, and was even kind to animals. He taught us that being helpful and kind makes our hearts happy and brings us closer to Allah. Did you know that our Prophet taught us special ways to eat and drink? Before eating, he would always say Bismillah, starting with Allah's name. He used his right hand to eat and taught us to eat slowly and carefully. He loved sharing his food with others because sharing makes everyone happy. And after eating, he would thank Allah for the blessed food. Cleanliness was very important to our Prophet. He taught us to always keep ourselves clean and pure. He showed us how to wash our hands before and after meals, use miswak to keep our teeth clean and fresh, and make sure our clothes and surroundings are neat and tidy. When we stay clean, we feel good and make Allah happy too. Our Prophet taught us something very special about parents and elders. He showed us that being kind and respectful to them is one of the most important things we can do. When our parents or elders speak to us, we should listen carefully. We should help them with their work, speak to them with kind words, and always try to make them happy. Remember to pray for them too. Here's something wonderful to remember. Our Prophet taught us that even a simple smile is charity. He always had the most beautiful smile on his face. When we smile at others, we're not just making them happy, we're also following our Prophet's example and earning rewards from Allah. Now that we've learned about these beautiful sunnahs of our Prophet, let's try to practice them every day. Start with something simple, maybe giving a bright smile to someone, helping your parents, or saying Bismillah before eating. Remember, every time we follow these lovely habits, we're becoming better Muslims and making our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, very happy.